There's been a history, although the lineups are different. There is a history of Creamline being beaten by Zeus. In the meantime, boy, Iroha has worked so hard tonight. And in the meantime, Arroyo is unstoppable. She has now 14. Na-miss yung pako. Tamangang Zeus ng isa. Fourth set. Nice set. Also a nice set on the other end. They're grappling and swimming for it. And look at this. Zeus jumps out in front by 2.
Oh, good serve.
Pasok yan.
Scores an ace.
Service ace.
That reason being exactly how Alyssa and the Cool Smashers prepared for this match, steamrolling through set 3. Now on the verge of a win. Let's see if they could keep it up here in set 4. 7 Panini.
That's Carlos with her now patented jump serve. Iroha has worked hard all night long. Oh, out of reach.
Nogales off the block.
Lisa Nogales has 8 points. Boy, getting contributions from different people. Ooh, ano nangyari doon?
There was a block touch.
Tinitingnan nila yung replay. Pagka nagre-replay tayo, tinitingnan nila. Direct minsan tiyempuhan mo. Tinitingnan nila replay. Ano ba mali natin doon?
Gagate off the block.
Si Mondoñedo madalas niyang tinitingnan. Okay, mababa yung set ko. Ulitin ko. Sa UP, wala namang big screen doon eh. No?
Wala.
Saka walang challenge doon.
Valdez turned back.
Nung araw, hindi pwede magtanong ng basta-basta, di ba? Kailangan alam mo yun.
Dapat alam mo yung rotation.
Ceballos. Oh, yes! It's on the ground.
Gagate.
This is not yet over. Valdez, Iroha, her target. Parang preparado si Iroha for Valdez. Iroha makes it a set. Arroyo shoots.
Oh!
Royo off the block.
Hindi nakapivot si Bernardo. Feeling better.
Serving for Zeus Coffee, number 17, Fiola.
Zeus is in the lead here in the fourth by 6.
Oh, that was a nice set.
Valdez off the
Others who have done it well lately, Bernadette Pons and Bella Belen. Another sterling performance. Ooh, buhay pa oh. Doon tayo. Porsyento. Iroha. Ay, solid. Yes, she did. She actually has 5 points. Pushed up. It has to be the third try. Down the middle we go.
off the block.
Tatlo ang lamang ng Zeus dito sa fourth. Reached for by the Guzman. Corner!
Serving still, number 23, Gemma Galanza.
Galanza serving. Nip the net. Arroyo!
Not yet.
Chini Arroyo has 18
Flo
points.
Mondoñedo, team captain, serving.
Flo serves. Overpass. Regalo. It's not open. It is denied. Reset. Recalibrated. Reloaded. Into the hole.
Carlos.
Same
Down the
target.
line.
11-13. Ang ganda ng
Nogales.
Nogales, Arroyo,
14
Mondoñedo,
to
low
11.
office.
And actually, yung set ni Mondoñedo sa middle, hindi mababa. Talagang pinapatalo niya yung middle attackers niya for higher reach.
Aha. Kinukuha sa tiyaga ni Ceballos. Kinukuha ng tiyaga sa back row. Huli ka. Saan ka pupunta?
Bumawi.
Smart move yan kay Gia.
Tama rin naman na kung alam mo na talagang may
Might as well.
violation na on your side.
Hindi, habulin na natin yung next point.
Oh, ganda ng blocking.
Gonzaga. Turned back by De Leon.
Agree.
Pons.
Not a good first
Oh!
ball.
Oh, what happened there? Tabla tayo at 15.
Nice set.
Arroyo keeping it very much in place. Ceballos blasts away. And look at this. Galanza joins the party.
Bernadette Pons serving for Creamline.
In the third set, they went blow by blow. Mondoñedo grapples. Tumama ba sa antena? Hindi naman.
No. Free ball given to Creamline.
Oh, that's out.
Hit out. Galanza for the Thunderbells.
She's probably gonna go to Gagate, but no, they change it.
Oh,
Well done.
Ball is in.
Jovelyn. Nicely done, but also nicely done on the other side. Carlos to Guzman.
Galanza.
Hammer time by Galanza. Sabay-sabay. Tinulak, tinaas ni Carlos. Sa kabilang bahagi tayo.
good check.
Chisayat looks around.
Ceballos turned back.
Walang tao sa dulo. Who will get that coverage on the side of Zeus Coffee? They are down by 4 points now. They will call for a timeout. Let's listen in.
Ceballos likes to serve from way deep in the corner.
Oh, still alive. Chance for Creamline. Nice dig by Gonzaga.
Defense is going to matter here. Galanza catching some late fire here.
Ang bilis ng galaw talaga ng attackers ng Creamline.
Yes, they are.
Nag-scramble pa sa defense ang Zeus. Gia keeps on signaling her attackers to go on the approach.
Galanza with 9.
Good dig.
Revilla. Eroa Arroyo. Reached for. Kept in play.
Nice set.
Punched up. Punched up. This is not yet over. Arroyo.
Oh!
Galanza catching some late fire. Trying to close the book on this one.
Good first ball. Hirap mag-block yung Zeus Coffee ngayon.
Gagate is going to serve.
Serving for Zuskov.
That's long.
Outside again. Back-to-back
Ball is
attack
out.
errors.